Ever wondered how a home can look simple yet absolutely stunning? In today's video, we're diving into the world of modern minimalist home design, a style that doesn't just embrace simplicity, but also connects us deeply with nature. Let's explore how the blend of modern minimalism with natural elements creates a space that feels both refreshing and timeless. Minimalism is often mistaken for something cold and barren, but modern minimalist design is quite the opposite. It's about creating a space that's light, open, and filled with elements that make you feel connected to the world around you. Imagine stepping into a room where each item serves a purpose, where every corner breathes simplicity and elegance, and where nature seamlessly flows into your living space. This is what modern minimalist design, enhanced with natural elements, can offer. Let's start with the exteriors. Modern minimalist homes are all about clean lines and simple forms. However, when paired with natural elements like stone, wood, and greenery, these structures come alive. Picture a home with sleek, geometric architecture that's surrounded by lush, green landscaping. Large windows allow natural light to flood in, creating a welcoming glow from the outside. The materials used, think stone paths, wooden accents, and greenery, add texture and warmth, breaking up the sharpness of the architecture and making it feel more inviting. Not only do these elements create visual harmony, but they also help the building blend seamlessly with its surroundings. Instead of feeling separate from nature, the home becomes an extension of it, as if it was meant to be there all along. The interior, where nature meets modern design. Now let's step inside. In a modern minimalist home, less is definitely more. Each room is carefully curated with essential pieces that serve a purpose, creating an uncluttered and relaxing atmosphere. But what truly elevates this design is the integration of nature. Imagine a living room where soft, neutral tones blend with natural wood textures, creating a cozy space that's illuminated by sunlight pouring in through large windows. Bedrooms take on a tranquil, almost meditative quality with floor-to-ceiling windows offering serene views of the outdoors. Wooden accents on walls or furniture add warmth to the room, balancing the minimalist aesthetic with a natural vibe. Greenery is often a key feature in these spaces. Whether it's a statement indoor plant or a touch of green seen through the windows, it adds a breath of fresh air, literally and visually. The kitchen and dining spaces, natural elegance. The kitchen and dining areas in minimalist homes are designed to be both functional and beautiful. Here, we see lightwood cabinets, white marble countertops, and simple, elegant lighting that keeps the space bright and open. Large windows not only allow for plenty of natural light, but also offer views of lush surroundings, making these spaces feel like extensions of the outdoors. In dining rooms, a natural wood table often serves as the centerpiece, grounded by minimalist chairs in neutral tones. This space becomes an ideal area for enjoying meals with family or friends, where simplicity in design doesn't mean sacrificing style. A sanctuary in the bathroom. One of the most serene spaces in a minimalist home is the bathroom. Here, the natural elements truly shine. Imagine a sleek, open shower with stone or pebble flooring, a wooden vanity, and a large window that brings in soft, natural light. With few distractions, this space feels like a private sanctuary, inviting you to unwind and reconnect with yourself. Many minimalist bathrooms also incorporate plants or use organic materials, giving a spa-like feel to the room. This focus on natural textures and light creates a calming environment, perfect for relaxation. Connecting with nature in outdoor spaces. Finally, let's talk about outdoor areas. In minimalist design, outdoor spaces are just as important as indoor ones. A wooden deck with simple seating, surrounded by greenery, makes for a peaceful retreat right at home. Water features, stone paths, and even a few well-placed plants transform a typical patio into a calming natural oasis. These outdoor areas aren't just for show. They become places for reflection, relaxation, or social gatherings, bridging the gap between the inside and outside, and reminding us of the natural beauty that surrounds us. So, a modern minimalist home isn't just about reducing clutter. It's about creating a lifestyle that values simplicity and the beauty of nature. This design style gives us more than a house. It offers a calming, harmonious environment where we can escape from the chaos of everyday life. Are you inspired to bring more nature into your home? Tell us in the comments what element of minimalist design you love the most. And if you're looking for more design inspiration, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. We've got plenty of unique architectural ideas coming your way. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.